All right, I put up a fresh B8 target. I'm gonna try Vogel's method where he cams his hand really far forward. Again, I'm just trying to pick this up from a YouTube video, so I'm sure it's wrong. But got a fresh target, B8. I just want to see the recoil. I'm not going for speed or anything. So I'm gonna really focus on my grip, getting high up on the gun. Cam my wrist way forward. Felt pretty good. Let's go look at the target. Yeah, it was a little bit tighter. I mean, it was slow, obviously, but grip seems to be maybe a little better for me, even though it is a little uncomfortable.